Thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another practice question. And you have to go to the Killer Coda, and there you will type Neolab. And here, a new lab practice scenario. And here, go to the sixth scenario and start practicing auto HPA, horizontal pod autoscaler. So create a horizontal pod autoscaler HPA named Neokloud server in the autoscale namespace, particularly mentioning it here namespace. So remember, most of the time we forgot namespace to use, and that is very serious crime. So HPA must target the existing deployment, this particular server, running in the same namespace. So congratulations, both are running in the same namespace. Configure the autoscaler with the following requirement, and all the requirements is given. Downtime stabilization is given. If you are not remembering or not understanding these terms, please go through my detailed lecture on horizontal pod autoscaler and vertical pod autoscaler. There you will go up scale, down scale, and all these stuffs. So let it be. And coming here. So for this we need a matrix server. So just start here. So for your sake of simplicity and clarity, I have the step by step provided to you. So here just copy paste here. Matrix server will be installed, and here some patches need to do because we are working with the killer coda. So paste it here. It might not be I will means require for if other environment, but it is there. So wait for matrix servers to roll out, because it will take a little time. So wait for matrix servers to roll out. So I think 30 or 40 seconds is needed. So let's wait, and then yes, it is rolled out. Now if you fire this command kubectl top nodes or k top nodes, so you'll find. So we are happy to go. So you can find -a means top pods. So great. So control L. And now back to the question, and the scenario need to be created. So just copy this things and paste. Scenario is created. Now back to the question and start creating. So k get nodes. Your first thing is to get the nodes. So k get nodes is already here. So now k deployment. So create a horizontal autoscaler, name this, and HPA must target. So what is need the deployment? So k get deployment hyphen an autoscaler. So one is this is there. So my first rule is to get the backup. So I always used to get the backup in two where I touch dpl.yml, and there is one that is no touch. So in worst scenario, I can get back and I can spend my time to do the things. So now I need to first I'll check that backup is there. Yes, backup is there. So now start creating the horizontal pod autoscaler. So just go to your favorite documentation page and search HPA, and there you will find two links. So first, this link is for the creation of autoscaler, and this is for the parameters. So just click this link here, autoscaler, and remember, don't scroll. It will eat a lot of time. So just Control F and feed, because I know where this files is there. Sorry, misunderstanding. This is for parameter and this is for the HPA creation. So just Control F and feed, and there you will have this file for the creation of autoscaler. So just you can copy, or a familiarity of the document should be needed. So just if in case you won't find, just Control F and YAML. With the 2 or 3 click, you can find your whatever the file you require, whatever the deployment file, pod file, or anything else. But don't scroll. It will eat you a lot of time. So yes. So vi hpa.yml, and here you go. So this section, this is the section. So our deployment file is this. So we need this this main things, whatever we require. These things we require target. So scale target reference. So API version, whatever the API version is, this one, and the deployment, and whatever the name of deployment. So name of deployment we want. So these two things you can get it from here. Okay, so you can means you can describe and also you can get that things, but just I am giving you that this respects scale target references require. Okay, so get on the floor. So here I can control L, describe a describe hyphen and auto scale and deployment apps. And okay, so here you will find whatever the required things. So name is there or whatever things that is best in the YAML file. You can get all things. So here deployment is there, name is here, name is Neokloud server. Actually here also the things is given, but better to get from this scenario. So here minimum replica is 1, maximum replica is 4, and the resource CPU utilization, average utilization. So here 50% per pod, so average utilization 50 is given, so it is in number, so it is in percent here. So and 4, and down scale stabilization, where what is these things. So you can get it these things with the another page, and that is scaling. Control F 300. I know here with the documentation page, so you can find it here. Copy and paste it, copy and paste it here. So better you won't remember where to put this, so best option is just this behavior, Control C and Control F and V again. So I'm not finding here, so better pod Control F V behavior. Sorry, in second. So just here, come here and just explain deployment. So here a lot of data is there. So instead of doing like this, what you will do, you will just Control L. You don't need to do this also if you know this where to put this behavior, but just time in case you forgot that behavior, so it is very difficult to find out. So here just AWK, just grep it and AWK, and this, sorry, a grep is not required. There is a you see there is a lot of data, and which reading is a little bit and in behavior if you dot BEH. So here scale up and scale down. So this comes into the spec section. So in this main this is aligned with this. So just go to here. This you need to align. This here need B. So B to is case. Now WQ and cat, so that I can verify that file is same. So here we have defined this, and here the name is we had not changed. So via HPA name need to change to server. So properly check the name once again, and WQ. So Control L ls. So file is there. So K apply -f HPA.yaml. Control L K get HPA auto scale. Sorry, we forgot that namespace. So K delete HPA Neokloud server. So Control L VI HPA, and here namespace is required. So do not forget namespace, because if you forgot, then God A apply -f HPA. So this is what we did, take the backup. So if the thing goes wrong, we can recover it from the backup. So K get HPA hyphen auto scale. So now this is sometime it won't show anything, but not worries, because if the matrix server was not installed, or it will take a little time to get these things. So reference deployment Neokloud servers. So target was different. So K get pods hyphen and auto scale. So pods are there, and K top pods. So it will show up. Okay. So not to worry for rest of the things. So hope you enjoyed. Please do comment so that we can figure it out where we need more focus. So stay tuned, and the next would be assistant volume and claim. Stay tuned, stay learning. Happy Kubernetes.